Are you trying to unhide a post on Facebook that you previously hid? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'll walk you through the steps to unhiding a post on Facebook so you can get back to sharing with your friends and family. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up your Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon to go to the settings and privacy. Once you are on this screen, scroll down until you see your information section. Once you find it, tap on Activity Log under your information section. Once you are in the activity log, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you will see an option called Logged Actions and Other Activity. So what you want to do next is tap on that. And it will show you a bunch of options. Simply scroll down a little bit and tap on Hidden from Profile. And it will show you all of the items that you have hidden from your Facebook profile. So in order to unhide these posts, tap on these three little dots at the right and then tap on Add to Profile. So that's how you can unhide posts on Facebook mobile. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.